Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a brand new getting ready with me video. I am doing it for Vlogmas. Please forgive me, I know I have been missing in action, but y'all, it's been a lot going on and don't you worry, I'm gonna be uploading a lot more videos very soon. But today I am doing this look. I did partner with Dossier, I partnered with Luxe Vein, and I'm just here to show y'all a little bit of this glitz and glam, honey. Like, I'm gonna be sharing with you the makeup, the hair, and of course the outfit. If you want to see how it is that I got this look, stay tuned.
After this,
I want to show you how it comes packaged. It comes with an info card that lets you know all the notes that are in your scent and the inspired fragrance. So this one is by Chanel. I've had Chanel before. This is by Chanel Chance. And if you're not sure if you like the scent, use the tester. That's what it's there for. And definitely, I know I love the scent. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the bottle. Now, again, most of the fragrances are like $29. Maybe the more expensive ones like Creed, things like that, are like $39. But y'all, look at how much you get, okay? This is a big bottle. In fact, this is like 50 milliliters, I believe. And that's a lot because I've spent like $40 for a little roller ball, like from Sephora. So it's worth it. It smells very similarly to the fragrance that's inspired and it's a good value. So again, I recommend Dossier. I've been using them for months now. For the days I'm just chilling in the house, I'm not dressed or anything, I don't want to spray my $180 perfume. You know, I don't mind smelling just like it, but using a more reasonable version. You know, I don't want to say cheaper because it's made with really nice ingredients. So it's not cheap by any means. It does stay all night as far as the lasting power of the fragrance. So again, yeah, this is a part of my routine. Every single time I get showered and moisturized, I go ahead and spray my perfume, and yeah.
So right now you can get 20% off. They have lots of deals, you know, 29 bucks for your bottle or $39 depending on which inspired fragrance that you get. You can even do a bundle discount for Christmas. You know, they're great gifts. You can do buy 3 and get a really good deal. You do not have to worry about it as long as you don't open the actual full big bottle. Use that sampler and you can get a full refund, no questions asked. So again, I strongly recommend it and you should definitely check them out. I'll put any coupon codes that I can find down below for you.
We went ahead and did the brown in our crease as our transition color. Whenever I do makeup tutorials, I am not a super pro when it comes to makeup, so I like to keep it very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and use a pretty green color. This color is called Egypt. Use a brush that's like a flat brush. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in and I'm just gonna put the color all over my eyelid, okay? So we are going for Christmas makeup, very traditional colors, green and red, but I'm gonna do it in a chic and beautiful way, so that's what we're doing.
So we're starting out with the green eyeshadow. Remember, we already primed the eyelid, so we're just simply sweeping on and packing on, kind of just literally patting this eyeshadow from the palette to the brush to on top of your eyelid. So I'm staying right on the very top of my eyelid. I did again put that transition brown color in my crease. Of course, you have some fallout when you're working with dark colors. I'm going to take care of that later just using a makeup wipe or makeup remover, but I'm going to go ahead back in my crease and blend out that green with that same brown transition color. So that's it for the eyes.
So now that we went ahead and did the eyeshadow, I cleaned up with some makeup remover the fallout, because that does happen. If it does, just have a makeup wipe handy or get some baby oil or coconut oil and wipe it off. And then if you do that, you're gonna have to reprime your face. So I usually like to go ahead, do my eyeshadow. I'm about to use my Fenty Beauty to go ahead and put on my foundation. And then I put on my concealer, and then I do my contour and highlight. So I'm gonna do what I normally do. I'm gonna fast forward and do voiceovers for that. And then I'm going to show you how to finish off your eye look and make it real Christmassy with your lipstick. So let's get to it.
Now I'm going to go ahead, after cleaning off my face, putting on this foundation. I'm not putting on a whole lot because I know I'm going to set my face really well with some powder, but I'm putting on this Fenty shade 385. I'll put the links again to everything down below. After I put on my foundation, I go ahead and put on my concealer under my eyes, a little bit on my chin and down the bridge of my nose. I like to bring light to this area. That's why I conceal there. And as you can see, I follow it right up with the brown color concealer that I use for my contour. Now, I kind of like for my concealer to get a little like dry, and then I kind of spread it out using an actual brush, as you see here. And then what I'm going to do is let it dry a little bit more and then use a damp beauty blender to, on one side of the beauty blender, blend out my contour. And as you can see, I'm going up my cheekbones and I'm also going up my hairline. And then I use the other side damp and I actually blended out the concealer. Now, I'm moving fast here because I do this in all my videos, but this is just the Fenty Beauty Cashew Color powder. I leave it on while I bake, and this will really set your makeup so it stays all day. So when you're going from house to house, getting eggnog and turkey, your makeup will be beat. So here you see me just putting on some black eyeliner. Whenever I do color eyeshadow, I like to do black eyeliner because I'm going to cover it up with the actual eyeshadow color. So I'll show you that in a minute, but I just put my lashes on. Shout out to myself because these lashes are called Fantasy. They are from my lash line and my hair company, XO Chrissy Hair. Again, I'm gonna put discount codes down below. It is Christmas and I love hooking my dolls up. I'm actually going ahead and taking off that setting powder. I like to actually push it in my face. That's my secret, y'all. I push that powder in my face and then I dust it off. And as you can see here, I'm just using that same color from my eyelids and going along my eyelash line. I think this always looks beautiful with that black eyeliner underneath. So very easy. I bet anyone can do it. You should do it and then tag me. That way I can see what your looks look like. And I'm just going back in the hollows of my cheek with that darker color contour. I actually use a dark color for the top and then I use a brown, like a more muted brown to kind of blend it in, and then I follow it up with my Fenty color and I kind of just put it all over my forehead, my cheeks. This really just warms me up and I think it's just beautiful all in all. So this is the icing on the cake. I'm going ahead and put on my highlighter. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my lipstick. So definitely wearing red. Red is definitely in the season. This is a holiday look. So we got our green, we got our red. And yeah, that's really it.
Okay, so that is it for the makeup. We have the shimmery green eyes. We have the bold bright lip, and obviously it's the holidays, so we're gonna go ahead and sparkle a little bit with some gold right inside of the front of our eyes. I guess I don't know what you want to call this, but I think that gold, red, and green is super duper holiday. Like, look how pretty that looks. Let me get closer for you. And I didn't do a cat eye today. I just did the lashes because I really want you to get into that full color. If you wanted to put a little bit of eyeliner, that way it covers like your lash line, you can do that. It didn't really bother me too much, but this is my holiday look. Let me do my hair. I know that my hair is super easy because I do have braids. So for my hair, all I'm going to do is gel down my edges. I'm actually going to keep my hair down because I do like how it looks with this particular outfit. So you can go with an updo, you can put your hair back in a low bun. It's really up to you when you have braids, but I just like the idea of it being completely out like this. But as you can see, your girl's edges are a little bit fuzzy, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those, and then I'll be right back in my dress. This dress is from Shop Luxe Vein on Instagram or luxvein.com, and I got this dress in a medium because I like my clothes to fit tight, but I do offer it in size small to large, and I would have to say this dress is a size 2 stretch. Actually, probably, yeah, a size 2 stretch. It doesn't really stretch, but it has some give. That's why I'm wearing a medium, because I like how it snatches me in. But yeah, I will put the links to this as well. And of course, I'm gonna hook up my diva dolls. You can use the coupon code YTFAM. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I'm super in love with this look. I thought it was super easy. We only used 2 eyeshadow colors. The eyes did not take a whole lot. The beat, it was a lot of makeup, but it was just because we're doing lots of pictures. You want to make sure you're not getting any flashbacks. You want to look flawless. If you're anything like my family, you kind of start early in the day and then you're kind of out and about and then you come back in the house. You can do this makeup look and it's going to stay all day long because we use the setting spray, we use the foundation, we use the primer, we use the setting powder. So I got y'all covered. And when you're out and about, you want to make sure that you're smelling good. So be sure that you check the links down below. Lots of deals for Christmas. I'm going to put a coupon code if I can find one in the description box, but regardless, I do recommend them. Again, check them out. The dress I have on is from Shop Luxe Vein on Instagram or their website, luxvein.com. Again, that is my boutique and I love it, but I absolutely adore this dress, obviously because of the pop of color, and you can't go wrong wearing red or holiday green or anything like gold for the holidays. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see some more Getting Ready With Me videos. I'll be sure to record some for you. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do. This channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels, I'm going to put those links down below in the box. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that, as well as Snapchat, and my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, my apologies for my Vlogmas or lack of. I'm gonna go ahead and upload a whole lot more videos. So between today and tomorrow, you're gonna get all of everything. You're gonna be all caught up. I'm gonna finish out Vlogmas next week. But I'm gonna say thank you so much for always rocking with your girl. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.